Letter of explanation is one document which I have used during my PR process, during the citizenship process, during applying for visitor visa process, during the grandparent and parent PR program process. And there is no set format which I have used. I have tried to put logic. I have tried to give where if the documents are missing, I have tried to give alternate document and detailed explanation why the document has been not submitted. And if the document has been submitted and I feel that a little more explanation helps, I have done that. That way, when someone receives and someone is going through, they have adequate information to take right decision. So what I'm sharing is my personal experience, and you must do your due diligence when you are doing anything like this. And if you are in doubt, always seek a professional guidance. Don't rely on someone like me who is on internet coming and sharing personal experience. And in today's video, I will show you how I covered the passport missing as an explanation. So I give a heading like letter of explanation. This makes it clear what this document is, then the date when it is made, and if it is primary applicant's name. If it is secondary applicant, write secondary applicant and then name. And if UCI number is there, I always make sure to make an entry. If UCI number is not there and it is getting uploaded with the application, I just leave it blank. And then to whom it may concern. This is the heading part of it. Coming to the explanation for valid passport missing in generic application form. And I have also mentioned the section 4. So here, when applying the passport, what was there had expired, and to apply for the new passport, it would take time, and had to submit the application within a prescribed timeline. So the application was submitted without upload of passport. And here you can see subject explanation for valid passport missing in generic application form, section 4. This has been clearly mentioned. That way, the person who is looking at the document knows what this explanation is for. So I'll just go over what is written here, and that will give you an idea of how everything is getting covered. I'm writing this letter in connection with my application for Canada permanent residency under parents and grandparents sponsorship program. In this regard, I currently do not have a valid passport and have already begun the process of reissuance of passport with passport issuing authority in India. I'm hoping that my passport will be reissued soon within next month or so, after which I will immediately upload it to my PR application portal. So usually in India, the process is nowadays streamlined. After the application is given, within 10 to 15 days, the passport comes. Now, what happened here was, again, this was an oversight, not looking at the passport's expiry date. And when this application was getting filled, that is the time when it was realized that the passport has expired. So this gives an update that I'm going through the application process. I'm providing this explanation to ensure transparency and to avoid any potential delay in my PR application process. I hope this letter adequately explains the circumstances regarding the missing passport from the PR application and the steps I have taken to address it. I am dedicated to ensuring that all aspects of my application meet the required standard, and I am willing to provide any additional information if needed. Thank you for your attention to this matter. I look forward to continue with my Canada PR process. So this was the letter of explanation which was given, and if you see here is that as soon as the passport is available, that will be handed over to IRCC. And as I said, in India, the passport process is very streamlined nowadays. Within 10 to 15 days, the passport was there in the hand, and using web form, the passport was uploaded. And till date, there has not been any concern, any flag from IRCC. So this is the update. I hope this gives you an idea of what is happening with us. And for other explanation, I made a separate video. You can go and check that from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.